Okay guys, so I want to just show you quickly how to actually use the YouTube video editor. For that I use one of my channels, which is my main channel. Let me just go inside the video. So you go in one of your videos that you have, you click on edit. You'll have here different settings. You just choose enhancement. Click enhancement. And then you have two different options here now. You have trim if you want to trim the video, or if you want to have the YouTube editor, you have here below this effects, which is try the YouTube video editor. So click on that one, and we'll open like a video editing toolbox kind of. So then you have here all the videos that you have basically uploaded, and you can now select the videos that you want to work with. So let's say you want to make a clip out of these 4 videos here. So the only thing you have to do is now drag and drop the videos inside that box here, like this. This one we're not taking. So now you have 4 videos, as you can see here. You see the timeline on the bottom, which is like the whole video would be now 2 minutes 53, and the individual videos itself. And obviously, if you would do that now basically and go click to publish, it will publish it under the name of my edit project. So we're gonna call this actually test video. Sorry, but it wouldn't look really nice. So you have now different options here. You have different filters, kind of. Sorry, this one is actually some videos you can use with or you can play around with. You have some audio which you can use, which comes from YouTube directly. However, I would not recommend it if you want to keep the original sound, as it will override the sound. Then you just have these are the transitions effects. So you have different effects between the videos which you can fill the gaps with. I usually use crossfade, as you can see here, and that connects the videos quite nicely. So as you can see here now, you have a 2-second gap or overlap between the 2 videos. When you just move it here towards this line, let's just see how it's going to look like. So let's click play. And now watch the timeline here. You see the car, the first video will stop or go over to the next video, as you can see here. So that's how it works. And then to make the video a bit more attractive as well, you're gonna, for example, use some title. So you can put in some title here. You have different options in the size of the text, the color, bold or italic, and different font styles. Let's just choose this one and say, okay, subscribe. Yeah, okay, that one you can't really read, so let's go back to this one and say subscribe. Okay, then you see this is by default 4 seconds. I usually extend it to around 7 seconds, so you can do the annotations later. And to start the whole thing video with, I would do something as well, which is okay, supercar video edit test. And you have again different lines. You can change the size, the color, and all these things. You can choose the background color. You can change it. So let's say we want to have it gray. Now we cannot read the green anymore. Let's put it black. Here we go. Save it. And again, extend it a bit longer. Let's say to 4 seconds. And this will be our video. So now the video basically is 2 minutes 58 long. And let's just take a look how it looks like. But actually, when you have the title in the back and in the front, you should again do like some fading in between, or how you call it, not fading, but transitions to make it a bit more smooth looking. So I just added this one again here and here, and you can extend or shorten this as well, obviously. Here you go. So as you can see now, 4 seconds actually becomes 3 seconds because the transition takes a second away from this video and a second away from this video, so it automatically puts down the volume once the video comes down and transitions to the next video, and this one gets from quiet to loud again. So every time you have a transition of 2 seconds here, by default, it will take 1 second away from this video, 1 second away from this video. So you will see the timeline will actually change here. If you now see it's 2:54, if I'm gonna do now 3 seconds out of this, you see it's gonna change to 2:53. Yeah. So keep that in mind if you are looking for a particular length of video. And that's pretty much it. So now we would have one video ready with the 4 sections. We have the transitions, we have the outro and the intro. Very basic. You say, you name it, whatever you want to name it, and then you go ahead and say publish. And here we go. Yeah. So if you have any question, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks a lot. Subscribe. Cheers.